Hello YouTube, I'm Jamie Lynn. I haven't been on YouTube for a while, so I got a lot of stuff to explain. But let's just cut the chat, because today we're going to learn how to weld. I got a cheap Chinese welder from Temu that came in, got the helmet that came in, have these babies, protect my arms. I just got some regular work gloves. I think it'll be okay. Let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. I've never welded before. It's probably gonna be a mess. It's flux welding, so it's gonna be super messy. But let's give it a try. Okay guys, so I already have my panel open because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna blow one of these. I'm gonna pull too much amps. Let's just give it a try anyway. I got my helmet on and everything. Oh yeah, I need to also make sure it turns on too. There we go. So yeah, let's see what happens. And I'm gonna set you guys up over here. Yeah, here's the Corolla right here. Let's get to it. I'm going in. Oh boy. Let's turn it on. Wait, how do you turn this on again? Oh. Whoa, I gotta turn it back on. Come on. Oh. Yeah, that's right. I gotta plug it in. Gotta plug it in. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. See? Blue. It blew. Okay. So, what we have here is we have this 6-50R, and this is really cool. You can use these for both running lines outside the wall as well as inside the wall. This is for inside the wall here. Punch that out. You run lines underneath it. You punch this out. And here we go. Got everything I need. And it was cheaper than actually getting the old rework 2-gang outlet and the fancy stainless steel cover that they had. They didn't even sell any plastic ones. You had to get stainless steel. And then also anything else that you need. Oh yeah, the plug, of course, the 6-50R plug. This came out cheaper, so I got this. And we have our QO Square D 2-pole 30 amp circuit breaker. And I just realized it's cracked in the housing. I think it'll work fine, but if need be, we can take it back and return it. And then found this. I was going to ask somebody to help me cut the wire there, but found this, and it's almost the same price as cutting the wire. It is a 10 AWG 10-2, except the ground wire is not bare, so black and red are going to be hot, 120 volts, and the green is going to be the ground. And it comes with this cool like insulation conduit material. So this is going to be going kind of like in here, the circuit breaker, I'm gonna actually tie it up, and I got the little plastic caps that should fit to allow me to do that. And then I'm gonna put it through the wall, cut off the extra, and then redo this point or this point. And honestly, like, all I need to do here is I don't have a lot of length that I need to go. It's gonna come up from here and then it's gonna go to the bottom, and it's just gonna go down like maybe here, or maybe I'll hide it underneath here. So it's gonna be like something like this, you know, and that's all I need really. And in the future I can expand that if need be. Mishimoto V-band clamp right here, and we gotta test fit it, make sure it works. I got some acetone, and I'm gonna be cleaning it off with this. And I got, since it's gonna be hard to get in there, I got one of these. And yeah, it's gonna be like a pain in the ass. Let's start with taking off the that crappy thing. Well, I mean, they're not crappy, but I guess they are kind of crappy. All right. Oh boy. Oh man. And I guess it won't be too bad. And hey, who are you? What are you? Who are you? Who are you on my ranch? My driver. Who are you? Oh, half an inch. Come on. Oh gosh, it is not very comfortable underneath here. Wish I could jack up the car a little bit more, but yeah. Okay, got it. Oh man. Okay. Up. Okay, these off, and coming off too. Okay, that, and the whole thing. Okay. Yeah, I think it should. I hope it does okay. Okay, let's start cleaning, and then the sucky thing is this bar is going to be in the way the whole time. I already got this bar out of the way, but oh boy. Somehow I gotta weld this together. I don't know. What I'm gonna do is, since it's having trouble fitting right in here, these pipes do actually go together. I'm gonna weld these together, and I'm gonna try to cut it right here, and then put this right here. Yeah, it'd be a pain, but yeah, let's try to do that. First I need to tack. Let's take a look at this. Look at these torn open chip bags. Stuffing. Cooper. Got a dead wooba. Got a dead lamb. Got a flat duck. Got another flat duck. Torn up boxes and stuff. It's just insane. Destroyed shoe, destroyed plastic cup. You know, this is all he does. It's all he does all day long is chew and bite stuff. Look at this. Completely destroyed. There's the shoe. He just tears everything up all day long. Anyway, hey Cooper, let's go out to the garage, Cooper. Here it is. The 2001 Toyota Corolla S. So, I didn't even show the part of me taking the exhaust off and welding at 360. It was such a pain in the ass that I just wanted to finish it up. So now I'm showing you the end result of this. do I have a light? Yes, I do. Plug it in. And we're not done. We are not done. Oh boy. And I just, you know, I honestly, I do not have, I just don't want to do it today. But here we go. So this is actually the first part that I started welding. It's a slip over joint to connect two pipes around 2 inches. Actually, one of those is 1.8 of an inch. Oh man. Now, I should have did that later, but I wanted to get that fixed up. And then, right over here, we got our fancy Mishimoto V-band clamp. That was a pain in the ass. And here's Cooper. Cooper. Cooper, Cooper. Cooper, Cooper. Okay. Cooper. Cooper, Cooper. I want to go underneath the car, but my dog will not let me go underneath my car. Damn it, I gotta take my clothes off and put this dirty ass shit on. Okay, here, let me do this. Because that Mishimoto added around 1 inch to the exhaust, I thought it would slip over and not add 1 inch, but that's my first time with that type of connector, so I didn't know it added length to the exhaust. Now we got another issue. Our other issue is that we don't have a light, so you can't see anything, but also, where is that light at? Oh man. Okay. Our other issue is that this muffler is now, it's pushed back all the way. It's touching the frame right here, and also you're not gonna be able to see this, but the where it mounts to the chassis, it's got a weird sliding mount thing that's like really stupid. I don't know why they made that. It's all the way slid back, and it's also touching the metal on the top where the exhaust actually mounts to the rubber sliding piece. So we got to fix that too, and the way to fix that is to cut the exhaust again and make it a little bit more shorter. Also, we need to add a flex pipe to it, because eventually something's going to crack here. The header's going to crack or something, because we do not have anything that's flexing at all. What the hell are you chewing? Damn it. Okay.